students, and I'm going to give the solutions of last weekend test. Here the 26th one is functional group present in the demesinone compound responsible for the smell of the roses. The structure is given. There are carbon-carbon double bond as well as the keto group. Here the given answer is ether, ester, no ether, no ester, ketone is given. Therefore, for 26th question, that is the correct answer is C, since it contains the that is a ketone functional group, not alcohol, not ester, and not ether. 27th is the compound which is the not homologous of malonic acid. See, for 27, what is malonic acid? Propane dioic acid is malonic acid. Propane 1,3-dioic acid is malonic acid. So this is the homologous means the homologs belongs to the members of the same class of compounds. So dicarboxylic acid. Your oxalic acid A is A, you see, it is the dicarboxylic acid. Acetic acid B, it is a monocarboxylic acid. It does not belongs to the what? The class of dicarboxylic acids. It is not the member of the dicarboxylic acid series. Therefore, it is not A, this one. Succinic acid, butane dioic acid. You know succinic acid formula, that is butane dioic acid. This is a higher homolog of, that is a malonic acid, and oxalic acid is the lower homolog of this one. And adipic acid, also that belongs to this dicarboxylic acid, hexane dioic acid. This is the all except, no. This is CH2, that is CH2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is COOH. There is no space, I am writing this one. Hexane dioic acid. So the all, that is A, and that is B, C belongs to the same class, whereas acetic acid, that is a monocarboxylic acid. So for this answer is for the given question is 27th, that is and which is not do not belongs to that class of compounds is, that is B is correct, right? And next one is the total number of primary carbons present in the cyclic structure of the glucose. The carbon to which the only one carbon is connected is the, that is the primary carbon. Now that we defined, we know that is, this is the primary carbon, you see. Starred carbon is the primary carbon because, and here out of the 4 bonds, 1 with oxygen, 2 bonds with oxygen, 1 bond with hydrogen, 1 bond with carbon. Only 1 carbon is connected, only 1 CC bond is present. Therefore, this is starred carbon is the, that is your primary carbon. So here also, you see, this is the only one. That is the other one is primary carbon. This is the primary carbon. CH2OH. This carbon is primary carbon. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 of the glucose system. This is the 6. If I label like this, and 1,6 carbon atoms are the, that is primary carbon atoms. That means there are 2 primary carbon atoms. Therefore, C is correct option. C is the correct option for the 28th question. For 29th, which among the following is the saturated molecule? The saturated molecule means the molecule which contains the, that is all single bonds is the saturated molecule. Allyl alcohol, you know, allyl alcohol. Propanol, prop-2-enol, that is the, this is the saturated, is a double carbon-carbon double bond is present. Vinyl alcohol, you know, that is enol. This is the carbon-carbon double bond is present. It is not a saturated molecule. Divinyl ether, that is ether, divinyl, two vinyl groups. That is, you should know the what first the structures of the molecule to in order to identify the saturated. That is, this is the carbon-carbon double bond, unsaturated center. These three are. This is allyl alcohol is unsaturated, vinyl chloride is unsaturated, vinyl chloride. I wrote the what vinyl alcohol. That is, and the divinyl ether is unsaturated. Only chloroform, that is CH, all single bonds. All the four valencies should be satisfied with the sigma bonds, which contains the all sigma bonds is the saturated molecule. So for 29, that is D is correct. So the next one is the 30th is that is which compound is called as isooctane. I told you in this one, and it is there just the information recollecting this one. That is the and octane is called in the petrochemical industry 2,2,4 dimethyl pentane is called as the isooctane. దీన్ని isooctane అంటున్నారు in petrochemical industry, not 2-methyl. Normally according to the Geneva system, 2-methyl heptane is the isooctane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2-methyl pentane is the 2-methyl heptane is the isooctane. But in the petrochemical industry, the popular name is 2,2,4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane is called as the isooctane. Therefore, A is correct here. For 30, A is correct. And the next one is which among the following compound is considered as a spiro compound. This is just recollecting the information. That is the bicyclic compound, and which contains that is one common atom. Two rings where the two rings share the one common atom, that is called as the bicyclic compound. This is the bridged bicyclic. This is the bridged bicyclic. This is the D is the fused bicyclic. This is the spiro compound. You know the definition of the spiro compound, and I think there is no extra need to this is 31 is that is the C is correct. And next one is that is which among the following compound have the degree of unsaturation 4. The rings plus double bonds must be 4. That is here you see in the first case it is I think all have the 1, 2, 3, 4. All that is all 4 have this is 4 degree of unsaturation. 2 rings, 2 double bonds. 1 ring plus 1 plus 3. That is degree of unsaturation is this, and that is 2 plus 2. That is a 4. That is 4 pi bonds. No rings. This is 4, this is 4, this is also 4. 1, 2, 3, yes, they all are correct. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. A is correct. A is the correct answer for that is 32 question. And for 33 question, which functional group have the higher priority than the nitrile in IUPAC nomenclature? This is the seniority list of the seniority list of the different functional groups in the IUPAC naming. Carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, like this. That is which have the nitrile, cyanide. That is cyanide has the higher priority than aldehydes, ketones, alcohols. That is but lower priority than amides. Lower priority than that is esters, OR, lower priority than anhydrides. See, you see here, what are the groups given? Sulfonic acid, it has the higher priority. That is a higher priority than nitrile. Above the nitrile, what are sulfonic acid, not ketone below, alcohol below, ester above. That is this and this. That 1 and 4 are, that is have the higher priority. Carboxylic acids first, sulfonic acids next, the acid anhydrides, and next esters, acid chlorides, amides, nitriles, cyanides, nitriles, aldehydes, ketones. But these two have the higher priority. Just it's the information question that is given. Which among the following have the correct IUPAC name? That is 2-ethyl butane. No, it is not the 2-ethyl butane. Longest chain violation అయింది. ఇది కరెక్ట్ కాదు, ఇది ఐయుపిఎస్సి నేమ్ కాదు, ఇది 2-hydroxy 2-methyl, that is 1 2 3 4 2-methyl butane nitrile. This is correct. This is correct. The priority is given to go 1 2 3 4. That is, if you take this compound, this is the cyanide, this is the OH, this is now the numbering to be given from the nitrile terminal functional group 2 3 4. This is the second carbon hydroxy 2-hydroxy 2-methyl 1 2 3 4 butane nitrile. This is correct. Butane 2 sulfonic acid, butane 1 2 3 4 butane 2 sulfonic acid. This is also correct. Yes, 1 2 3 4 butane sulfonic acid. This is also correct. And that is a cyclohexane hexanoic acid. This is wrong. That is here 2 and 3 are correct. For which answer they have given, I don't know. That's here it is missing. That is 2 3. The option where the word 2 and 3 are selected, that's correct. 2 and 3 are selected. 2 3 combination. 2 is correct. 3 is correct. The other 4 is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Correct name. For the first one, it is a pentane. This is 3-methyl pentane kavaladi. The one should be the 3-methyl pentane. It's a wrong name. This is wrong name. These two are correct. Check up the answer. The next one is the here 35 question. Which among the following have the correct numbering for substituents? This is substituents numbering. This is the carboxylic acid and this is the ester group. This priority should go to this one. So this is correct. First priority is given to the carboxylic acid. Second, principal functional group carboxylic acid. So second priority. This is correct. Now the here and 1 2 3 4. This is also correct. Amide, N-ethyl butanamide. Numbering is correct. And next one is the third one. And this is also correct. Third one also correct. So functional group is present in the side chain. That is 1-phenyl ethene. Numbering is correct. The next one is the methyl ethyl. Check up 1 2 3 methyl ethyl 1 4 positions anywhere, but ethyl comes first, alphabetization order. That is the, if the set of the locants are same, that the alphabetical order to be taken into consideration, ethyl methyl. This is also correct. So all are correct. Where it is 1 2 3 4. This is A is correct for this. The next one is the compound which have the fruity smell. That means fruity smell means ester. Esters have the fruity smell. Each fruit has its own characteristic smell. I told you the smell of the fruit is characteristic smell of the fruit is due to the specific ester present in the molecule. అందులో ఉన్న స్పెసిఫిక్ ఎస్టర్ను రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ అంటున్నాను అది. Therefore it is, this is the ester group. You see, this is the ester group. This is the your oil of wintergreen. No. This is the aspirin. This is the aspirin. This is the oil of wintergreen. Phenyl salicylate. That is the acetyl salicylate. This is not the ester. It is the phenolic functional group and amide functional group. Here it is an ester group and phenolic group. This is and methyl salicylate. This is the oil of wintergreen. This is the salal. This is the aspirin. This is the paracetamol. This is paracetamol. This is a parahydroxy. That's a acetonilide. That is what are correct? 1 2 and 4 are correct. 1, 2, 4 are correct. This is that is the B is correct. For 36, B is correct. The next one is, so something is given. The IUPAC name of the salicylic acid is, this is the salicylic acid, right? This is the salicylic acid, benzoic acid. This is the structure of the salicylic acid. This is benzoic acid, right? This is ఆర్థో పొజిషన్లో ఉంది. దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ సబ్స్టిట్యూయెన్స్ ఎసిటాక్సీ. ఆర్థో హైడ్రాక్సీ కాదు, దిస్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. ఆర్థో ఎసిటాక్సీ, దట్ ఈస్ అండ్ 2-hydroxy benzene, no, it's wrong. And 2-carboxy phenol, no, it's not correct. 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid, this is more appropriate. D is correct. So instead of the benzene carboxylic acid, we can call it as a simply benzoic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, nothing is correct. IUPAC name of the salicylic acid is ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid, wrong. Let me check up. 2-hydroxy benzene, wrong. 2-carboxy phenol, wrong. No, sorry, I have taken this one, and you have to take the salicylic acid. Sorry, I have taken the aspirin, acetyl salicylate. Ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid is called as the salicylic acid. You go ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid. First one is correct. A is correct. 2-hydroxy benzene correct kaadu. 2-carbo, no. This is only A is correct option. Ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid is called as salicylic acid. I did a mistake. The hybridization of carbon in aspirin is, this is the aspirin. I have taken the second one. This is the aspirin. This is the aspirin. Ortho-acetoxy benzoic acid is the aspirin. Hybridization ఏముందో చూడండి. All ring carbon atoms are sp2. This double bond carbon COOH is sp2. This is sp2 and this is sp3. So is asking what? That is hybridization of the carbon in aspirin is, there are sp2 carbons and sp3 carbon. Therefore sp2 sp3, this is correct. Not all sp2, not sp, no sp carbon, sp2. This is only B is correct option for this. I have given the structure. You check up the what structure. So there are sp2 carbons majority, and one is the sp3 carbon. 6, 7, 8 are the sp2 carbons, one is the sp3 carbon. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. This is the, and next one is the, ఏమైంది మనది, 38. Now 39th question. See, some compound is given, he is asking to find out the write the this one. Let me write here. Double bond, this CH3, this is COOH. Use your own rules. This is the aldehyde group, this is methyl group, same molecule. Principal functional group is here. From here you have to write the this one, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. A methyl on the C2 carbon, a methyl on the, that is C5 carbon, అంటే 2,5 dimethyl ఉంది. 2,5 dimethyl. ఇది ఏమవుతుంది, 6th కార్బన్ మీద ఏముంది, ఇది ఆక్సో అవుతుంది. లేకపోతే ఫార్మైల్ అయితేనేమో కట్ అయిపోయేసి ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ ద వాట్ ది పెంటేన్ అవుతుంది. చూడండి కదా, 2,5-dimethyl 6-carboxyno and 2,5-dimethyl. It is originally it is the carboxylic acid. సో ఇక్కడ ఉంది 2,5-dimethyl 6-oxo. This is the oxo group. Aldehyde group is taken as a substituent, double bond O. Carbon is included into the parent chain, terminal aldehyde group. 2,5-dimethyl, that is 6-oxo, hex-3-ene, double bond is present between the 3-ene, hex-3-ene, oic acid. There is no need to tell the word position of this one. So here D is correct. Option D is correct for this. The next one is the 40th is the, there are two questions, 40 and 41. Which of the following compound shows the geometrical isomerism? See, write the pent-2-ene, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent-2-ene. What is the group attached? 2-methyl. This is the methyl. So I have taken the first compound, pent-2-ene. So it cannot show the word geometrical isomerism. Not possible at all. Geometrical, why? So that is double bond carbon contains the two like groups. This and this two methyl groups are like groups are attached. Therefore it can't show the geometrical isomerism. This is not possible in case of the A. That is 4-methyl pent-1-ene. 1-ene ఎట్లయితుంది? pent-1-ene, 1. Pentene, pent-1-ene. What is this 4-methyl? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-methyl. So here two like groups are attached, two hydrogens are present on this. This cannot show this one. This is geometrical isomerism is not possible here. 4-methyl pent-2-ene. 4-methyl pent-2-ene. Let me write the pent-2-ene. 4-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-methyl. So here it is possible. You see, this is the methyl and hydrogen on one double bond carbon. Isopropyl and hydrogen are present. This center is stereo center. Therefore, it is possible. You take the 2-methyl pent-1-ene. 1-ene annappudu aipaye. That is the 1-ene and that is 2-methyl. This is the like groups are present on this center. Therefore, it can't show. Only for this 40, C is correct option. And for the 41, IUPAC name of the following compound is, ఈ compound కు చూడండి, in what is the name for this? See, for this is a cyclohexane system, cyclopentane system, sorry. This is the carboxylic acid. So cyclopentane carboxylic acid is the that is the name of the parent compound. This is the methyl. This is the Br. How do you name? That is clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. This is the numbering. So now the locants are, first substituent is getting the 2, 4 are the locants. And if you number the other way, that is 3 and 5 are the locants. So therefore, lowest set of locants, that is 2, 4. First point of difference. That is, this is the case. And methyl and bromine. Bromine first. This is the 4. 4-bromo, 2-methyl, cyclopentane, carboxylic acid. 4-bromo, 2-methyl, cyclopentane, carboxylic acid. A is the correct option for this. దీనికి A is the correct option. So that is the I have shown here the 41. And next one is the 42. The IUPAC name of the following compound is, some compound is given, he is asking to write the word the correct IUPAC name. This is the alcohol functional group connected through carbon. This is the amine functional group. This is the aldehyde functional group, polyfunctional compound. This is the nitro functional group. This is the case. which is the principal functional group. Now this is the principal functional group. So this is the benzene carbaldehyde or benzaldehyde is the IUPAC name. ఇప్పుడు నంబరింగ్ ఇవ్వండి, ఇంకేమి ఇస్తారో మీరు నంబరింగ్. హౌ డు యూ గో, దట్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద 1, దిస్ ఈజ్ 2, దిస్ ఈజ్ 3, దిస్ ఈజ్ 4, దిస్ ఈజ్ 5, దిస్ ఈజ్ 6. So you have to number from this side. If you number from this side, the set of the locants are 2, 4, 5. If you number from this side, this will become the 1, 2, 3, first one, and next one is the 4, next one is the 6. See, first point of difference is created. The first subject is getting. This is correct way. Therefore, what is the name? 5 amino, first alphabetical order. 5 amino and 4 hydroxymethyl 2 nitro benzaldehyde. ఎక్కడ ఉందో చూడండి. 5 amino, 4 hydroxymethyl, you see, 4 hydroxymethyl 2 nitro benzaldehyde. This is the correct name. D is correct for the given this thing. This is given in the recent exam, that is the last November mains. The next one is the 43 average molar mass of the this is ఏమొస్తుందో అది, both are present in, calculate చేయాలి అది. That is the 33 point. So percentage of this is x into 35.5, that is plus 100 minus x into 37 or parts 3 into ఇది చేయొచ్చు అది. That is close to the naturally occurring chlorine is close to 3:1 ratio. I think this you have to calculate that part. That is this is x parts of this, right? And that is the average molecular mass of the chloride is 35.5 is equal to రాయాల్సింది ఇది, that is percentage x into, that is same rather 35.5 plus 100 minus x into percentage wise రాస్తున్నా 37 into 37 whole divided by, that is 100. క్యాలిక్యులేట్. ఇది దేనికి మ్యాచ్ అవుతుందో చూడండి. దాని 3:1 కావచ్చు అనుకుంటా నేను. I think the word is, it must be the 3:1. Check up, you calculate and find out. And so here, that is the, see here, this is ఏమైతుందో ఇది, this is the ester benzoic acid, this is the ester group. Here it is the, that is the, see in this question the option A is correct. See 1Q, చూడండి, methoxycarbonyl, this is the principal functional group, methoxycarbonyl. This is benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid. Legally it is benzene carboxylic acid, but IUPAC accepted as the benzoic acid. Here the benzene carboxylic acid is given, therefore we can take it as, it's not a wrong name, that is 2-methoxycarbonyl. This is the C double bond O ester group. The alkoxycarbonyl is the, that is the ester, prefix of the ester, methoxycarbonyl. Methoxycarbonyl benzene, this one, for this Q is correct. The other one is the, for 2 P is correct, that is the P is, you see, and ethanoiloxy benzene carboxylic acid. It's not ethanoiloxy, there is a print mistake here, you see, ethanoiloxy, E, it should not be A, It's a print mistake. Ethane means and ethane, that is a no double bond. Here there is a so 2 is P. Ethenoyl oxy, propenoyl oxy, benzene carboxylic acid. No, this is not the 1-methyl ethenoyl oxy. This is it's not correct. So there is a print mistake here. Benzene carboxylic acid, all right. This is the 1,2. Ethenoyl oxy, not 2. 1-methyl. Methyl ethenoyl oxy. Noyl oxy. Benzene carboxylic acid. ఇది 2 carbon chain ethene. This is the methyl group. So methyl ఉన్నది చెప్పాలి. 1-methyl ethenoyl oxy. ethenoyl oxy. ఇది కరెక్ట్ కదా అది. This is 1-methyl ethenoyl oxy. This is ethene. This is the I am writing CH2 vinyl group or ethenoyl group, ethenoyl oxy. So there is a methyl group here. Therefore methyl ethenoyl oxy. Methyl 1-methyl ethenoyl oxy, that is benzene carboxylic acid. There is a mistake in the, this is the statement of the, that is the column 2. The next one is the 3 is S for 3. So aminomethyl benzoic acid. ఏడుందో చూడండి. 3 aminomethyl benzoic acid. 3 aminomethyl benzoic acid. For third one, given one is S. This is S. And for this, ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ చూడండి, బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ అమైనోమిథైల్ 1, 2, 3 అమైనోమిథైల్. దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఇథనాయిల్ ఆక్సీ. ఇది రాయాల్సింది ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంది, 2 దగ్గర ఉంది. నేను రాస్తాను తర్వాత దాన్ని. దిస్ ఈజ్ 3-methyl అమైనో 3 అమైనోమిథైల్. ఇది అమైనో గ్రూప్ విత్ మిథైల్ గ్రూప్. అమైనోమిథైల్ ఆన్ థర్డ్ కార్బన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద థర్డ్ కార్బన్ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్. కరెక్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అమైనోమిథైల్. ఇది మిథైల్ అమైనో. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆర్ మిథైల్ అమైనో. మిథైల్ N-methyl amino, 3 N-methyl amino benzoic acid. This is correct. So overall this is correct. కానీ దీనికి రాస్తే నేను ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను నేను. సో ఫర్ దిస్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ద, దీనికి ఇది బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్. చూడండి ఒక చిన్న పొరపాటు జరిగింది. బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆక్సిజన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈథర్ గ్రూప్. ఇది బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్, వినైల్ ప్లస్ ఆక్సిజన్, వినైల్ ఆక్సీ, ఇథినాక్సీ, 2 ఇథినాక్సీ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ వీరు. 2 ఇథినాయిల్ ఆక్సీ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్, బెంజిన్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ పోనివ్వండి. బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ ప్లేస్లో బెంజిన్ కార్బాక్సిల్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ మిథైల్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు మిథైల్ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఇథినోయిల్ గ్రూప్ కాదు, ఇది మిథైల్ ఇథినోయిల్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇక్కడ రాయాల్సింది ఆన్ సెకండ్ కార్బన్. ఇది ఆన్ సెకండ్ కార్బన్ ఆన్ 2 దగ్గర ఏముంది? దట్ ఈస్ 1-methyl 1-methyl, right? ethanoyl oxy. Ethanoyl oxy, ఇది 1-methyl ethanoyl oxy. It is on second carbon. బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ అండ్ బెంజిన్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ ఉండాలి. ఇగో ఇక్కడ కాస్త తప్పుపోయింది, ఈ మిథైల్ను కన్సిడరేషన్లోకి తీసుకోలేదు, ఇది లేనట్టుగా రాసిండ్రు. దిస్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ గివన్ యాజ్ ఇఫ్ దిస్ మిథైల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్. ఒరిజినల్లో ఉందా లేదా అది వేరే విషయం, కానీ దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద and tertiary alcohol and all these things and given and statement and this and tertiary alcohol is that alcohol in which the OH group is attached with the tertiary carbon. Avun correct kada, statement is correct. Tertiary amine is that amine in which the NH2 group is attached the tertiary carbon. This is wrong. Tertiary amine is the one to which the 3 organic groups are connected to the nitrogen. All the 3 hydrogens are. This is correct, this is wrong. So statement is true, the statement 2 is false. This is correct. Therefore, for this appropriate, this is C. The next one is the butane and decane are the members of the same homologous series. Yes, alkanes. The alkanes, that they belongs to the same homologous, members of the same homologous series. The homologous have same chemical reactions, correct. Therefore, for this, the B is correct. For this, B is correct. This is, you see, what is the statement given? That is, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and statement 2 is not correct explanation for the this one. Correct. Next one is the 48 లకు వచ్చినావా, and I think this is not the correct name for the compound is 1-bromo 2-methyl ethyl, correct. Cyclobutane, this is correct. Cyclobutane with bromine alphabetization order 1 2, that is the alphabetization order. 1-bromo, this one 1-bromo 2-methyl ethyl or isopropyl cyclobutane, this is correct. In distributed cyclic compounds, numbering is given by alphabetical order. This is wrong. In disubstituted అట్లా ఇస్తారంటే కాదు, ఇక్కడ అది ఇది అయింది అది. Therefore the 47 is A is correct. ఏమంట ఏ? Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and statement 2 is correct explanation for the statement 1. So దీనిక this is correct. In disubstituted cyclic compounds, numbering is given by alphabetical order. This is also correct. Anything that's a disubstituted system, bromine, chlorine, that is alphabetical order 1 3 1 2 1 3, is the same thing. This is correct. Therefore, A is correct. That is correct this thing. And next one is the 48 is the hybridization of the carbon in alene. Let me write the alene first. Propadiene is alene. This is sp2 double bond carbon. This is sp2 double bond carbon. This is sp. Now this is what is the statement? Molecule of this are sp2. Correct kada? The statement is correct. The molecular formula C3H4 have double bond equivalent of 2. Correct. This is also correct. Double bond equivalent C3H4, 4 minus 2 is 2. Both are correct. Therefore, B is correct. And next one is the the answer each of the ఇది following choices only. ఇది కట్ అయిపోయింది కదయ్యా. 48 అయిపోయింది. 49. How many of the following carbons have correct hybridization? That is, this is sp2, this is sp2, negatively charged. That is, calculate చేయండి అది. This is steric number. This negative charge is conjugation with the double bonds. Therefore, 1, 2, there is a hydrogen 3. That is, it is in conjugation. So, వదిలిపెట్టినాం. 3 minus 1 is 2, sp2. This is also sp2. This is wrong. This is sp3. This is sp2. No, it is sp carbon. Triple bond carbon is sp carbon. This is sp2 carbon. Double bond carbon is sp2 carbon. This is sp2 carbon. Yes, double bond carbon is sp2. This is wrong. This is sp2 carbon, not as sp carbon. Not this is sp2 carbon. Yes, it is sp2 carbon. It is sp2 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the correct answer. మరి ఏమి ఇచ్చిండ్రు? 6 ఇన్ ఎన్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద దీన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి చూసుకోండి, మీకు వచ్చేది 50 వస్తుంది. ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది సింపుల్గా. దట్ ఈస్ ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఇన్ ఎన్ ఎస్టిమేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్రోమిన్ బై ద కేరియస్ మెథడ్ 1.6 grams of the organic compound have the 1.88 grams of the silver bromide. The mass percentage of the bromine, percentage of bromine is equal to ఏదో రాసిన మనం, mass of AgBr divided by mass of organic substance used into bromine 80 divided by that is 189, 108 plus 80, that is 188 is the molecular mass into 100. మీరు ఇది వర్కౌట్ చేయండి, తప్పనిసరిగా వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ 50 విల్ బి ద ఆన్సర్. దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద రిలవెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫర్ ఇట్. దెర్ఫోర్